New Year's fall on a Sunday. Now let me ask you a question. Would you rather have a good day or a bad day? Would you rather have a good day or a bad day the following day after? How about Thursday? How about next week? Would you rather have a good day next week, the following week after that? Good day or bad day? We pretty much know the answer to this. You want to have a good day. I don't think anyone would answer they want to have a bad day on Monday, or they want to have a bad day next week. Of course not. We all want to have good days. This question is from the type of happiness we all wish and desire every day in our hearts of hearts. We have good days when we are happy, and we want to be happy every day. It's never a day when we don't want to be happy. Whether you have a good day or a bad day, it all depends on your happiness. When you're having a good day, have you ever thought to ask yourself, why am I having a good day? What is actually making me happy right now in this moment? Maybe you're listening to a song and that song triggered a good feeling and it put you in a good mood. It could be a celebration that's coming up and that's actually putting you in a good mood. Whatever that external condition is, you're happy and it feels really good. And we love that feeling. Hey, look, I am all for happiness. I have always been obsessed with being happy, and I have high energy every single day. In fact, my friends call me the ultimate cheerleader because I believe happiness matters. You, me, and all the people in the world, we deserve happiness, and we deserve to manage our happiness. We deserve to be happy all the time. Even when we're not happy, regardless of what's going on in the world, we deserve to be happy. If you can relate to any of this, join me on this happiness journey where we actively cultivate our source of happiness. Removing relationships, removing things that's not working in our life anymore. Having that source of happiness coming from inside our own mind. Take a little time doing a little inventory, creating a little recap of your upcoming year where we're crushing those automatic negative thoughts that often leads to low self-esteem, guilt, and shame. Nobody wants to feel overwhelmed ever, let alone starting the new year rejecting our happiness. We're going to be building practical strategies to build a toolbox for your everyday happiness. The way you currently engage in response to situations is a pattern that you have likely practiced for many, many, many years. So join me as we discover your source of happiness in 2023. I promise you, you won't regret it. You're only a finger tap away. Come join me. I see you on the other side. What are you waiting for? Lift your finger and tap. Lift it. Come on. Lift it. Tap it. I see you on the other side. Come hang out with your new community. We can't wait to see you. Happy New Year.